Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Telegram and confirming your account and microphone permissions are allowed. Tap the contact or group header. You want the profile panel visible. Once there, press the phone icon or choose More and then Voice Call. This sends a direct invite to the other person. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data connection is stable. Calls prefer Wi-Fi for quality. If you're in a group, note that voice chats behave differently, so pick the direct chat for a simple one-to-one call. Once connected, you'll see in-call controls, mute, speaker, and camera toggles. Use them quickly to manage privacy and sound. If you need a headset, open audio output and choose earpiece, speaker, or a paired Bluetooth device. This changes instantly. You can also add participants or convert the voice call to video by tapping the camera icon. Make sure to use noise suppression if background sound is an issue, because it improves clarity. These options are there to keep the conversations. To finish, press the red hang-up button. You can review the call duration in the chat info afterward. If audio gaps or drops occur, quickly toggle mute and unmute or switch the audio output to speaker or Bluetooth. This often restores sound. When problems persist, make sure Telegram has microphone permissions, restart the app, or reinstall it. If that fails, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular. Sometimes network routing causes issues. One key tip: reboot your device before deeper troubleshooting. It clears transient audio faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.